That's a nice place. Excuse me, waiter.
Yeah.
Hi. What was that amazing organic trend 4 years ago?
That would be avocado toast.
Fantastic. I'll have one of those, please.
No problem. Right up.
Thank you.
One order for avocado toast. All right, we want about 1-inch slices for these. So you have about 1-inch slices for that. Now, a little twist. We're gonna be topping it with some of these sun-dried tomatoes. And to include some of that flavor in the bread, we're just gonna take a little tablespoon right here and just lightly brush it over. There we go. Let's toast it up. We're gonna add a little bit more extra flavor to the bread. We're just gonna take this little piece of garlic, we're gonna smash it, cut it, and we're gonna just scrape it across the bread. So we're just gonna smash it, take off the skin, give it one cut, so you have a flat end right there. And then we're just gonna lightly scrape it against the bread. This gives it a nice garlicky flavor. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to make the perfect poached egg. I learned this from Food Labs from J. Kenji Lopez Alt, and it's a very simple method with no vinegar, no salt in the water or anything, no vortex. All you need is a mesh strainer like this and an egg, obviously. And all you need to do is just kind of swirl around the egg inside the strainer, and some of the excess egg white, if there is any, will seep through and you'll be left with just the perfect egg. So we're just gonna crack the egg and just crack it inside right here. And if there's any excess, it'll kind of leak through the bottom. See, there's some of the excess. So you're just swirling this around, all the excess will kind of leak out. Now we're just gonna take our egg, and what you want to do is just kind of gently roll it over the side right here, and it'll just plop in very gently right there. And as you can see, it's already a pretty perfect little circle. And you don't want this on a rolling boil, you want this about a nice simmer. Now what you want to do is you want to cook it for about 3.5 minutes. And at the end, we're gonna just transfer the egg into a nice ice bath so it stops the cooking. We already have the ice bath here off to the side right here. Now we're just gonna take our slotted spoon and just transfer it over into our ice bath. Next, let's slice some avocado.
Where's my avocado toast?
All right, we all have all of our ingredients ready, and now let's throw it all together. So I just have a little bit of balsamic vinegar, just as a nice little touch. And we're just gonna do a couple swoops like this. Lay that piece of toast in right just like that. Our avocado, here's the important part. You lay the avocado on just like it is, and then we're just gonna take our knife and fan it out. Sun-dried tomatoes. We don't need too much of this, but adds a nice vibrant touch to it. Spray a little bit of this lemon juice right over the top. Top it off with a little bit of dill. And then our finishing touch, our poached egg. Lay that right over the top. A little bit of chive. Here's your avocado toast.
Looks delicious.
Let me take care of that for you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that looks absolutely fantastic. Hey, can you take a quick picture of me for my food blog? It's really important, right? It's at www.gourmetgrandfood.com.
Nah, dude. It's on your own time.
But it will give you great exposure. gourmetgrandfood.com. Check it out.
Cheers. Cheers. Subscribe. Comment. Like.